Hello everyone, I am Syma Sheikh, your dietitian as you all know, and I am coming up with my clinic in New Friends Colony opposite Mata Ka Mandir, which you all know, which will be having three things under one roof, that is my boutique, my yoga center and my clinic. So you'll all be benefited through it. So please join us there after 15th of December. Now today I'm going to tell you something about healthy sandwiches, which is our breakfast options. I have taken this multi-grain bread, which I prefer, some grated cheese, this is cow cheese, with some fresh tomatoes, lemon, which is from my own garden, tomato sauce, and some chopped onions. I'm applying some of the tomato sauce on this bread. After this, I'll put some tomatoes on it. Tomatoes, as you all know, it boosts your immune system. Then I'm adding some grated cheese on it. As you can see, cheese is very healthy. It has a lot of calcium in it. And then I'll add some chopped onions, and again I'll put some tomatoes on it, and again I'll add some cheese to it. So I'm squeezing some lemon drops on this. Lemon, as you know, it's rich in vitamin C. So now your sandwich is ready. If you want, you can apply some butter on it. It's your wish. If you want, you can eat it as it is. If you don't want, you can grill it. It's entirely your choice, but it's a very healthy option.